The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now viewers and subscribers, there's a video that is out on social media that shows of a female that is known as Dyema, and she's talking about an incident that had happened where it is said that because of the incident, a female had lost her life that goes by the name of Bumpa. Now, it is said that the female that is known as Bumpa was on top of her head, while another female attempted to do something that was considered to be a stunt or a dance, and as a result of that, the female that is known as Bumpa had lost her life. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you the video that shows of the female that is known as Dyema talking about the incident that had happened. But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the languages used in the video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, observe.
Big serious business I go on, yes, right now, bumbuckler, that. Big serious business I go on right now. Who text me, dog? I don't even want nobody text me right now. Big serious business I go on, so big serious business I go on right now, dog. Big serious business I go on. Sorry, I don't know why fuck wrong with them a little new dancer, you know. I don't know what wrong with them a little new dancer, you know. Broke the fucking girl. Hey, me not anybody come by and put a laughing face, because you don't know what me I go talk about. As a company like you laugh, me go black on no blood clot if you don't laugh this morning. Cause serious business, cause our dancer girl blood clot dead. Just to because them a dance the 3,500 fucking more jump on the girl neck and broke the girl blood clot neck and me not laugh. Cause on the dance upcoming new dancer just be a fuck run not doing a bad man. If somebody not allow of it, how would this a the laugh? You know but for me, it's not a joke thing, my brother, because look, you say you can black me, you don't go black. But for me, I want a serious thing I go on and know. And the girl dead. Dead as in dead and a 3,000 blood clot, $500. Them a dance for 3-5. More, when nobody know. You can't jump over people unexpected. Fuck up the girl and they kill the fucking girl if in two pity them. Me don't know what wrong with them a blood clot new dancer, yeah. When I dance more than 3-5, you can go beg a road. Kill the fucking girl. The girl don't allow you to do certain style. Out of blues now when you don't drink on the can go like on the mother don't have no Bumpa blood clot sense. See you on a run down tick like a go-go. Broke the pussy clot girl neck and kill the girl. Girl mama dead if you dead too. Suck out your mother girl. You better go and carry yourself gas station. Grievous man. If a pussy will ever put by my black girl, you will laugh. So kind of thing like a laughing Bumpa clot matter this year. Anybody else come by and put out no more laughing face after you hear me talk about serious matter. And me I tell them say one Bumpa clot dancer dead. You come and laugh like a joke thing. Everything you come by and not laugh, and not joke thing. And any Bumpa clot body come back and come put out no more laugh. Me go black on no Bumpa clot. People are talk about serious something. Mobby and I must don't that's where we come from. People are talk about serious something. You no fucking come a Bumpa ass clot laugh like a joke thing. Everything on the come on internet and laugh like a joke. And no joke thing. Them a Bumpa clot new dancer with a run down tip like a go-go dog. Running jump over the fucking girl jump. The girl a dance on the head. Oh, you fucking if this somebody a dance on them fucking head and a jump over them. And you see the girl upon him fucking head more you jump over the fucking girl. Broke the blood clot girl neck, kill the pussy clot girl left into pity them. And a Bumpa clot 3,500 on a dancer dog. How this come back with a laughing face? Me I black your right blood clot now. Bumpa clot. You see people that talk serious something, you come a Bumpa ass that I put laugh. Go suck out to no mother and tap put laughing face and me things. As me go black out to no Bumpa clot. Don't lose to the girl go perform, but I must be a people. Me girl, the whole everybody come from, whole I must be a dance for them. The girl dance to that group named Gladiators. But I don't lose to me here so they may have one show. And the artist thing at $3,500 they book one for. $3,500. The fucking girl losing life for. Nothing more than the mama who listen while little tip. And I go with the extra this and drop on the blood clot girl neck kill the girl. Cause that's all no good for dog. Left the girl and if you two pitting them dog. You no can't see people on their head and dance and do stunt. What the fuck is wrong with you no? And the can't see people on their head a bumbo clock dance, bad man. And I do fucking stunt, dog. Well bend, dog. The girl they left in 2 pitney them. 2 pitney them you go send vice no boy. Oh. You know the style we always do. Like me, you send out vice no boy. The style we always do. Like me no do it good. And me miss and drum like. You can't see the blood clot girl pan the head and go and try style. Broke the fucking girl neck, kill the girl left in 2 fucking pitney them mama. What wrong with you know? Worst mama you have to come from being another girl. You better go carry in yourself. For that me I tell you, well bend your bum buckler. Well bend. Well bend, dog. Well bend I feel it to me heart. Cause I was like how me know say 3 bum buckler $1,500 on the book one of them the dancer there for. And that make me worse bend. That I don't even know because of life, dog. Oh, you get joke yourself. Oh, you get joke when black you. Come in and know where you get joke from. No joke, not dead blood clot yourself. Where you get joke from yourself, dog, gonna come and laugh on the people things, dog. 3-5 one of them dancer they book for. 3-5. And the girl losing blood clot. Like that's what I tell you say no. You don't know so the struggles is real, you know. That's why some of the promoter and time people who book blood clot people and people are telling you pay them, you know. Pay them, you know, because when people go dance, you know. It's a life and blood clot dead business that can all not talk about. Because girl I go say, you when they try, more go say when they try style and you must see miss and drop. Or if you try style the people, you see people on their neck. You can't, the girl up on the neck and dance, no. You can't try style, not see people that do head tap dance. Anything can happen. But bad man, me well vex that girl having 2 bumper ass clad pitney them dog. You try make you sure you go on a station now, boy. You know this style of y'all. You know 2 extra when you know so people do go dancing dog. Humbuckler youth. And the girl have 2 bumper ass clad pitney dog. Oh that a go dog. Oh that go. Well vex youth. Well vex. So me a low up bumbo clock dancing. Just go take up clothes and I sell clothes. I say me a low out dancing and go sell clothes. Cause you see this dancing thing. You know thinking nice. And more while you kill your blood clot self and go some of them promote a batty boy you dance to, you know. And then style you know and pay you know. Look there now. The girl go weird down and loose if you go bumbo ass clot dance, you know. And then it's like a style, you know. You jump in at the girl neck, broke the girl bumbo ass clot neck, you know. And the artist, you know, every gladiator bumbo clot dancer at 3-5, one of them book for R4 grand. 3-5 R4 blood clot grand. And that's no if you cause alive left you 2 fucking pity them. But I guess sometimes you know have it does some of the time. Me used to dance to 3-5 too. At 2 grand sometimes you don't get none. Blood clot. Cause something a guy promoter them dance and them bumbo blood clot dance that you don't want pay neither. And a life and death they do. Eh? You can't, you know, if you dance, I see nothing said, you know. You can't drive, God, them fucking dance, and when you come back and meet in an accident, said, way. And when you tell the pussy them to pay them a style, you dog. That me, I tell you, dog, me well vex and feel it, dog. Oh, fuck, mama, if you try style. Mama, oh, if you try style, when you don't see people on head top. When you can't see people on head top and I jump through people foot, what kind of style that you not try? I don't know, sometimes when you dip on the head, you balance the light, you know, you don't even know what you say to pussy clot. Well vexed dog. And the girl they let me well vexed dog. And me want out in me yesterday the girl in the hospital van day before yesterday, you know. And I know blood clot mama won't even go look for the girl, you know. I know the girl dead, you know. And mama won't have a chick or a bumbo blood clot child, you know. Me sure of that, you know. Yeah, send voice no boy. Oh. Let me send it to her phone and make her listen it. Oh, you know, say, let me send the voice. Me turn on the phone and send it, say if you can't hear it. Oh, you know, the style me, style you always do, your bumbo clot. Well, Ben dog. Spooky, you know, a girl, the girl come from down and say, Moby, yeah. One girl named Mum, but I think you know her. But I want dancer like me too. Well bend dog. I said to me rubber and broke, you know. Cause some of them just go like you know have no sense. Yo, me well bend dog. Well blood clot been dog. Well Ben I said so me see one little style go on a shirt party said the one girl could have broke in next year me you know. And that I said thing happened to the girl one night no. You remember in a shirt party I see somebody do something you know me not call her name. And flicky girl off of the magnum buck in there could have fuck up the girl neck you know. You know a sad thing happened to the bee. I know the bee fucking dead dog. Sad thing happened to the bee dog. Well Ben dog. I go try send a voice note to a phone and you talk about you know the style. Well Ben dog. Hold on, I go hang up and try send the voice note to a phone and I'm gonna listen what a girl say.
Alright viewers and subscribers, there you have it. The video that shows of the female that is known as Dyema talking about the incident that had happened where it is said that because of that incident, the female that is known as Bumpa had lost her life. Now viewers and subscribers, I've seen some video clips on social media that shows of the incident that had happened, and these video clips, they are shocking. Is what I'm saying to you? Now viewers and subscribers, I would like to say to each and everyone out there to be careful of some of these dance that some persons might attempt to do out there, because over the years I've seen some of these dance and some of them seems to be risky. Is what I'm saying to you? And I'm not saying this to disrespect anyone, you know, and I'm not pointing any fingers or anything like that. I'm saying this out of concern. You see what I'm saying to you? Because not because I might not know each and everyone out there, that doesn't mean that I do not want the best for each and everyone. No, I want the best for each and everyone out there. Alright? I want to send condolences to the friends, the families and loved ones of the female that had lost her life. And I hope that the friends, the families and loved ones of the female that had lost her life will somehow find a way to get through something like this. You see me? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about something like this that had happened, viewers and subscribers. And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla there, so if you keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. Alright? So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.